Questions to ask before buying that property. Are you sure you are asking all the right questions before buying that house? When considering the purchase of a property in Nigeria, it is advisable to perform thorough due diligence and ask questions to ensure you are making an informed decision. Here are some relevant questions to ask. Hello, I am Aret and this is Legal Tips with Aret. It is my pleasure to host you today. Welcome. Whether this is your first time with me or you are returning, I'm super glad to have you. And as you know, communication is a two-way thing, and so your interaction is really valuable to me. So please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Today we are taking a look at the questions you should ask a seller before proceeding to buy any property. You don't just see a property on sale and pay for it, no. Irrespective of who is making the offer, you need to ask questions. You have to be sure that you are putting your right foot forward. Here are some questions you can ask the sellers. 1. Who holds the legal ownership of that property in question? Is it under the seller's name or the seller is representing someone else acting on their behalf? Clarifying this distinction can impact the rights and responsibilities associated with the property. Understanding the legal ownership will help determine the next steps in any discussions or negotiations relating to the property. 2. Are you in possession of the necessary title documents such as the deed of assignment or the certificate of occupancy that can substantiate and validate your claim to ownership of the property? These legal documents play an important role in confirming rights and interests in the property and provide evidence that support ownership status. 3. Is there currently any encumbrance on the property in question? Have you either sold or mortgaged the property to a third party? It is important to know whether any financial obligations or legal claims exist that might affect your ownership rights. 4. How long has the property been in the market? 5. Why are you selling this property? Are there any defects? 6. Have there been any prior offers presented for consideration? If such offers have existed, what were the specific reasons that led to their failure to materialize? 7. What are the specific dimensions of the property? It is important to ascertain whether the physical size of the property aligns with the measurements indicated in the title document. Having this information is an assurance that there are no discrepancies or misunderstandings regarding the property's actual area compared to its documented size. Are there currently any unresolved permits or approvals pertaining to the construction projects that require attention or completion? 9. What are the various statutory fees and additional charges related to ownership and maintenance of the property? It is important to know all the financial obligations that comes with the property, as this cost can impact your overall budget and investment strategy. 10. Are there any utility bills that are currently overdue or still pending payment? This includes essential services such as electricity, water, and any other utilities that may be associated with the property. 11. What is the neighborhood like? How safe is it? What are the amenities available? How accessible is the area? This information will help you to understand the environment, including how secure residents feel, what local facilities and services are at hand, and how easily one can navigate the neighborhood and reach important destinations. 12. Is the neighborhood aligned with the specific purpose for which you intend to utilize the property? It is important to consider whether the surrounding community and its residents will support or enhance the objectives you have in mind for this property, whether town planning accommodates such projects within the area, Understanding the local sentiment, cultural dynamics, and overall environment is important, as these factors could influence the success or otherwise of intended use. 13. What are the various utilities and infrastructure systems available in this area? Essential services such as water supply, electricity, and sewage management. It is important to ascertain whether these utilities are adequately connected and operational so that you can access them without inconvenience. Number 14. Has the property ever been engaged in any form of legal dispute or controversy? Of course, you don't want to inherit the dispute and you want to be sure it was settled in the seller's favor. 15. Are there any zoning restrictions or regulations affecting the property? 16. How old is the property and what is the current condition? Understanding its historical timeline can provide valuable insight into overall structure and design. It is also necessary to assess the current condition of the property. Is it well maintained or in need of repairs? Evaluating both the age and condition will give you a clearer picture of what to expect in terms of maintenance and needs and potential renovations. 17. Have there ever been major repairs or extensive renovations? If the answer is yes, when was it done? And what was the nature of the work, the repairs or renovation? 18. Are there any access-related challenges associated with the property, such as concerns regarding right-of-way or the presence of shared driveways? Knowing any existing agreement or potential conflicts surrounding these issues is important to gaining a comprehensive view of the property's accessibility. 19. Can the property boundaries be verified? Is there any registered surveyor? Number 20. Are there any ongoing dispute or disagreement with neighbors regarding the boundaries of the property? It is important to address any misunderstandings or conflicts that may arise concerning where one property ends and another begins, as these issues can lead to tension with residents. 21. What are the prospects for property value appreciation in the area? Of course, you want to invest wisely. 22. Are there any upcoming government development plans in the area that could potentially have an impact on the value of properties or even lead to the destruction of existing structures? Understanding the landscape of local government initiatives is necessary for assessing potential risk associated with property investment. It is important to stay informed about any project, zoning changes, or infrastructure improvement that could alter the character of the neighborhood, influence property values, or threaten the integrity of properties in the vicinity. These questions and more, depending on the circumstances, can help you identify potential risk or issues before proceeding with the purchase. It is advisable that you consult with a legal expert or real estate professional to assist with the transaction and ensure all documents are legitimate. Hope this makes sense. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And also, more will be coming, so please don't leave without hitting that notification bell so as to be among the first to know when we upload new videos. Until then, remain blessed.